Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome to another grocery haul video. Today I have an Aldi haul for you. If you're new to my channel, I follow the Weight Watchers program, so when I do my hauls, I give the Weight Watcher points, but I also try to give the calories as well. So let's get started down here with the fruits and vegetables. So if you're following Weight Watchers, fruits and vegetables are 0 unless you're on the diabetic program, then you do have to count your fruit. For calories, I don't give the calories for fruits and vegetables because obviously it just depends on how much you have. So I got a thing of kiwi, I got some bananas, I got a pineapple, I got a watermelon. Back there I got some pineapple chunks, and then I got another bag of the cherry berry blend. I got this the last time that I was at Aldi, and actually this time was the last bag. So I hope they get more because I absolutely love that. Love it in my smoothies. I love it in a yogurt bowl. Just kind of throw it in a bowl, let it melt. I love it in cottage cheese. It's really good. I really like that. I also got some of the Cosmic Crisp apples. Those are just our favorite apples. They are so good. I got a bag of whole carrots. So I've mentioned before, for snacking, I like the baby carrots, but for cooking, I like to use the whole carrots. I got a thing of asparagus, some mushrooms, some mini cucumbers. I wanted to get the English cucumbers, but they didn't have any. I went later than normal. Right now it's 7:15 at night. Usually when I go to Aldi, I do it in the morning, but I went later. So I noticed when you go later, they aren't as stocked as they are in the morning. I got some red onion, some Brussels sprouts, and then also some frozen Brussels sprouts, some green onion, scallions, whatever you want to call them. Do you call them scallions or do you call them green onions? And then I also got some sweet bell peppers. And then I also got some avocado chunks. I forgot to write the points on those. So those do have points. Those are not 0. Those you can have 32 grams for 1 point or 10 grams for 0. And for calories, 80 calories for a quarter cup. And then I got some spinach. Of course, that's 0 points. So that's it for the 0 point fruits and vegetables. So then I got a bag of potatoes. So for these potatoes, you're gonna have a 4-ounce potato for 2 points or a 6-ounce potato for 3 points. And then I got some more orange juice. My husband likes the Fit and Active 50-calorie orange juice. That's 2 points for a cup. I actually like to put a little bit of that in my smoothie. You can actually have 2 ounces for 0 points. I also got some 2% milk back there. For that, you can have a cup for 5 points or half a cup for 2 points. And the calories on that milk, 130 calories for a cup. I got some unsweetened almond milk. For that, you can have 2/3 of a cup for 0 or 3/4 of a cup becomes 1. And the calories on the almond milk, 30 calories per cup. I also got some liquid egg whites. Those are 0. I've just really been enjoying mixing those with eggs just to add a little bit more protein. So usually, like if I do an omelet or something, I'll do the equivalent of a 3-egg omelet. So I'll use 2 regular eggs and then the rest the liquid egg whites. And the calories on the egg whites are 25 calories for 3 tablespoons. I got a couple things of these fat-free tuna salads. These are pretty good. I can't say I love them, but those are just really good to have, honestly, in my drawer at work or whatever, just to have on hand. These are 4 points for the entire package. It comes with the fat-free tuna salad and wheat crackers. And for calories, it is, I think it's split. It's 70 calories for the tuna salad and 80 calories for the wheat crackers. I picked up some protein yogurt. This is the mixed berry kind. My favorite has become the Chobani toasted coconut vanilla kind, but I usually get that at Publix, and unless it's BOGO, it's kind of expensive. So I just got this kind, which this one is only 1 point and 100 calories for a cup. I picked up a couple cans of white potatoes, so I just like to have these in my pantry. These are just a really affordable, cheap, quick option if you're looking for something quick for potatoes. So for this, it comes out to, I think it's like 2/3 of a cup for 2 points, but you can have the whole entire can for 3 points. And for calories, for the whole entire can is 160 calories. And then I got some black beans, 0 points, 110 calories for half a cup. Some French style green beans. These are 0 points and 20 calories for half a cup. And that's green beans. I got some diced tomatoes with green chilies. This is kind of like the Rotel brand. These are 0 points and 20 calories for half a cup. Another can of black beans. Also got some refried beans. These are the fat-free ones. These are 0 points and 90 calories for half a cup. I picked up just a can of canned mushrooms just in case I need them for something. I actually like canned mushrooms on pizza. And these are 0 points, 20 calories for a third cup. I picked up another thing of queso. This is 1 point for 1 tablespoon. If you're counting calories, 45 calories for 2 tablespoons. I got a couple things of brown gravy mix. Pretty sure I got some last time that I haven't used yet, so I think I've still got some in my pantry, but these are really cheap. They're like 30 cents each. 1 point for a tablespoon. Honestly, I just drizzle this on me or whatever I put it on, and I just count it as a point. But it scans at 1 point for a tablespoon or 20 calories. Also got some Munster cheese, 3 points for a slice or 80 calories. Some turkey pepperoni for this. Just depends on how many slices you have. You can have 4 slices for 0, 12 slices for 1, or 20 slices for 2. And for calories, it is 70 calories for 17 slices. I also got some quick oats back there. Those are half a cup is 3 points or 150 calories. I picked up a bag of crinkle cut fries. For those, you can have 3 ounces for 3 points or 110 calories. And a couple things of ground chicken. Those are 4 points for 4 ounces. For calories, they are 160 calories. Also some 93% lean ground turkey, 4 points for 4 ounces and 160 calories. I also picked up one of these rotisserie flavor turkey breast tenderloins. They actually have some 0 point ones that are just plain, but I couldn't find any. They didn't have any today, but these ones come out to 2 points for 4 ounces and 120 calories. And then I also got some chicken thigh fillets. We've been really enjoying these on the grill. My husband will barbecue them. They're just so good. This is 3 points for 4 ounces or 160 calories. I got a thing of eggs, 0 points or 70 calories. Some English muffins. These are 4 points for these ones and 140 calories. And then I got a couple things of sandwich meat. I got the 0 point oven classic turkey breast, and also I got some honey turkey breast. This one does scan at 1 point because it's the honey kind, and this one is 0. For calories though, I think they're both the same, 60 calories for 2 ounces. Yeah, they're both 60 calories, but the reason that the honey is 1 is because there's 1 more gram of sugar. But honestly, to be completely honest, not in my book, it's just not enough to make a big difference. And then I also got some cedar plank salmon. If you watched my last Aldi haul, they didn't have any, so I did pick some of that up. This is 0 points on Weight Watchers and 250 calories for 4 ounces. I also got some center cut bacon. This is 1 point per slice, and for calories, it is 60 calories for 2 slices. I got some thick cut, center cut pork chops. These pork chops are just so good. I never used to get these before. I honestly used to buy a pork loin at Sam's Club, and I would cut it up myself and portion it out. But I haven't been doing that in a long time. 4 points for 4 ounces, calories 190. And then back here, I got just some regular fully cooked bacon. For this, you can have 2 slices for 2 points or 4 slices for 3. My husband actually likes to add that onto a sandwich with the turkey. And I got some nuts here. I got the raw almonds, pecans, and pistachio kernels for me. Those are 4 points. The thing is, when you scan this, it comes out to 5 points per serving. But when you actually toggle it by grams, for the 28 grams, it comes to 4 points. So take your pick. It's either 4 or 5. I'm going to count them as 4. And then it is 170 calories for that 28 grams. And then my husband likes just the regular dry roasted peanuts with sea salt. These are 5 points for a 1/4 cup. I got some lightly salted rice cakes. Love those I will maybe put some peanut butter and cut up a banana, put those on it. Or they're really good to make the peanut butter, like the peanut butter cups where you put peanut butter on it and then you put some kind of chocolate melt some chocolate on it of some kind, maybe some Lily's chocolate chips or whatever you want to use for the chocolate, and then you put them in the freezer, freeze it. They're so good. I haven't had one of those in a long time, actually. We need to make one of those soon. And then I also got some hamburger buns. I couldn't find any of the whole wheat, so I got just some regular ones. 3 points for a bun and 110 calories. And I think I forgot to mention on the rice cakes, 1 point and 40 calories. And I also got another thing of the Extreme Wellness High Fiber Carb Lean Wraps. So the last time I got these, there had been some comments about, I've never seen any that were 60 calories, and I hadn't either. So these ones say 60 calories, but other ones that I've gotten say 50 calories. When you scan them, they still come out at 1 point. Somebody had asked me to put it in the calculator and see if it comes out the same, and I completely forgot to do that. So I'll do that. But honestly, even if I put it in the calculator and it comes out to 2, I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm still gonna count it as 1. That's what it scans at, and I'm not gonna really worry about a difference of 10 calories. I'm not sure if the protein's different. I think the protein may be a little bit different. I wanna say the other ones are 5 grams, but I'm not sure. But since I scanned them, they scan at 1, that's what I'm going with. And then I just noticed this was sitting over on my counter from when I scanned it. I got some of this chicken breakfast sausage. This is really good. I like this. It's 1 point for 1 link. I believe when you have 2 links, it becomes 3, and 45 calories per link. So not really any new finds this week, but I think I did pretty good as far as cost. And I got all of this for $170. So I didn't think that was too bad this week. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.